For the bridging core this month, we're working on bridge rotation. Really simple. You can do it on your knees or the toes, and just keeping the hands together. You have the feet a little bit apart, so it's more stable. And then from there, you're going to have that nice stable position on one arm, contract, keep that active, and then looking up, rotating, and then coming back down. You could make it stronger and not let the hips rotate, but I find it's a nice rotation through, and it should rotate evenly. If you rotate it and you didn't let the hips move like that, it won't go as far. You can turn the head though. It's a bit more challenging. That's forcing it to happen in the spine, but not letting the hips rotate, no pivoting happening. For the reverse of that, so you do that for a minute, get about 3 reps a side, nice and smooth. Reverse of that, have both the arms out, so your shoulder blades are pushing into the ground. And from here, you don't need to go far, but you're trying to keep both shoulder blades down, head tall. Exhale, come back. Inhale, control, push it. If I'm going to the right, I'm going to push down in the left shoulder blade and come back. So trying to make sure I'm getting that rotation. That's so nice and smooth. You don't need to go too far. You can make it heavy by straightening your leg. More important to get nice control through the midsection. If you overload it with too hard a version, you'll find that you're just going to use the bigger muscles on the outside. You're not going to get that core response. It's a lower level intensity that's going to help strengthen and stabilize the spine, as well as promote blood flow and healing to our spines from modern life damage. So you get that back to me if you want some tips on it and what you can do to improve it. But yeah, try and do it well, do it with good form, slow down. Remember all the core stuff, you're not trying to max out and go super hard, you're trying to promote good posture, good alignment, and then healthy, nice, even rotation with this through that whole chain.